In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate monday.com with Notion. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. To start, you'll want to access the marketplace on your monday.com interface. Look toward the top right corner of your screen, and there you'll see a puzzle icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the app marketplace. Once you're in the marketplace, you'll need to find the integration app we're looking for. In the search bar at the top, type in Notion Embed for monday.com. Give it a moment to search, and once it appears, you can click on it to access more details. Now it's time to install the app. Hit the Install button, which will prompt you to select which workspaces and specific boards you want to enhance with this integration. Make your selections, and then proceed with the installation. After the installation is complete, navigate back to your selected board in monday.com. You should see that a Notion Embed view has been added. This is an exciting part, as it allows you to integrate your Notion documents more smoothly into your workflow. Next, let's access the view settings for your new Notion embed. Locate the Settings button at the top right of this newly created embed view and click on it. You should now see a text box that's waiting for a Notion embed URL. Now it's time to switch over to your Notion account. Open your Notion workspace and find the specific document you'd like to display on your monday.com board. To make it available for sharing, you'll need to publish it to the web. This action generates a shareable link. Once you've published the document, copy the provided link from Notion. This will allow you to embed the document seamlessly. Let's return to monday.com, where you can paste the link you copied from Notion into the embed URL text box that you found earlier. Take a moment to double-check the link to ensure it's accurate, as this is crucial for the embed function to work properly. Finally, once you paste that link and hit Enter, your Notion document will begin to load directly into your monday.com board. This allows you to view and interact with your Notion content within your project management workspace seamlessly. And just like that, you've successfully integrated monday.com with Notion. With this integration, you now have a powerful way to combine your project management and note-taking capabilities, creating a more cohesive workspace for yourself or your team. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your productivity tools. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.